Why are we in the middle of the camp now?
Well, since Freddy is missing, he left a list in case something happened to him and he had to leave. And for today's activity, he wrote, play Uno. Tomorrow's activity is hide and go seek, and we leave on day 5. Weather Chica, what you looking at?
Huh? What?
I don't see anything. Anyways, let's play Uno, guys. We just played Uno last night. Yeah, we did.
Yes, we did. It's fun.
Yeah, we played it the night before, too. I won last night.
However, I won the night before last.
So, better watch out, Shadow Freddy. Oh, no you don't. Where's the little one? I don't know, you probably got abducted. Wait, what? Anyways, I'll go first. I'll lay down my blue 8.
Cupcake. Cupcake. Huh? This is the only card I have. Arg. Boom! Huh, okay. Wait, what did I just put down? Oh, I put down a 5. Okay, I need a blue or a 5. Oh, yes, I have a blue +2. Haha. What? Oh, no, you don't. Do I have a +2 card? Crap, please tell me I do. I don't wanna have to get 2 cards. No. Oh crap. Fine. +2. Yeah. Let me see. So it's a blue. Ooh. Sorry, Endo02, but +4. And I changed the color to red. What? Do I have a +2? I have a +2. I haven't played Uno in a long time. I mean, Gabe hasn't, so he doesn't remember. But, crap. I think I have to... Okay. Alright. Let me see. Oh! Crap. Okay, so what was the class color? I changed it to red. Red. Ooh, I have a skip card. But I'm not gonna use that. Why aren't you gonna use it, Toy Bonnie? Yeah.
Hmm. Wow, you have a, I changed the color to red. Haha. Oh, well, I have a red +2. Sorry, Shadow Freddy. What the? Do I have a +2 card? Because I don't wanna. Yes, I do. Yellow +4 with her chica. Crap, do I have a +2? Do I have a +2? Please tell me I have a +2. No. Oh. Okay. Ah. Cupcake. No. Cupcake. Yellow. Yellow. Okay. You're freaking kidding me! Crap! Crap. Arg! I'm going to use this and change the color to red. Red. I have a reverse card. Haha. What? Okay, I have a 6. Oh, I've only got a red 4. Yellow. Skip. What? Aw. Yellow 9. Oh, do I have any? Do I have a 9 or a yellow? Oh, I have a 9. Now the color's blue. I actually like blue. Well, how come there haven't been any green cards? Like, I'm serious. Where are the green cards? Does anybody have a green card on them? No, I'm gonna lay down this blue 7. I have a green 7. Okay. I have a green 3. Cupcake, red. Huh? Thankfully, I have a skip card. Skip you, freaking Foxy! Ha 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 ha. Wait, what was the last one? Way down? Okay. Oh no. I don't have a red. I have to draw until I get a red. Ooh, I got a red. Yay. Wait, don't I have to lay it down? Arg, I don't think so.
down a green 5 because I don't know what the color was. I'm gonna lay down a green 7. Plus 4. Oh, heck no. I changed the color to green. No! Darn it. Blue. I laid down a blue 5. Aww. Come on, give me a blue. Ooh. Yay. Green. Cupcake. Green 3. Cupcake. 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 Huh? Okay, I have a green 4. I have so many cards. You know what? I'm gonna change the color to blue. What? I'm laying down this 9 because I'm just gonna do that. But that's cheating. You're a cheater. It's okay. It's alright, Toy Bonnie. Okay. Red. Okay. Oh. 7. Cupcake. Red 5. Reverse. What? Reverse it in. What? Crap. Okay, yeah, I got a red. Huh. Red 6. Wop. Wop. Huh. Red. Oh. Skip. Toy Bonnie, how could you?
0. What? Cupcake. Does nobody notice? Wait, what? 2. Oh, I've got an orange 2. Cupcake. Skip 3. Skip. 0. Toy Bonnie, how could you? Toy Bonnie? I think he's dead. Oh. No! Wait. Yellow. Wait. Crap, I need a yellow. No, I need a yellow. Give me a yellow. Ooh, haha. Ugh. Ooh. Oh, okay. Too many. Oh gosh. Yellow. Cupcake. Cupcake. Close enough. Cupcake? Cupcake. Are we just cheating at this point? Yay. Arg. 9. No. Crap. I have a 0 too. Blue. I have a ton of blue. Blue. Huh. Come on. Blue wait. Oh no. Cupcake orange. What? Oh, that sucks. That sucks. Oh, guess the cupcake won. Okay. I'm gonna go back to sleep. Okay. Arg! Come on, Mango. Ooh.
come on.
Well, I guess I'm going in here now. Alone. I guess with the cupcakes.
Cupcake! One cupcake!
Alright guys, let's go. My face hurts.
Alright. There's nobody left in that cabin except for with Bonnie. Fox. Hey, Foxy. What do you want?
Farg!
What do you think we should do?
Oh no!
What? What is going on?
Sprint jump!
No.
Oh gosh.